Welcome to this Chesapeake, Virginia home. This home is perfect in the heart of Chesapeake, Virginia. We're in Great Bridge again. This Chesapeake, Virginia home is waiting for you, and I mean waiting for you. It is absolutely perfect. It is brand new condition, and it is absolutely spectacular. It is, I mean, absolutely dreamy. This home is like, when I say brand new condition, I mean brand new. We are in Grassfield Schools. We are Hugo Owens Middle, and we are Cedar Roads Elementary. This home is, I mean, perfect paint, brand new carpet, LVT throughout the downstairs. Virginia Home Builders built this. And if you're looking for Chesapeake, it absolutely doesn't get any better. We're in the heart of everything. I mean, you can get to everything in 5 seconds. The Veterans Bridge is right here. So you're just like minutes from absolutely everything that your little heart desires. So if you're looking for 3,000 square feet, 5 bedrooms, I mean, what, we got 4 full baths here. You basically have an ensuite to everything that, every single solitary bedroom here. So this house has everything that you could absolutely dream of. They have done beautiful landscaping here. You have sidewalks, which is what, like a lot of people dream of, especially people with kids. There are a lot of kids in this neighborhood, but this house is perfect if you have in-laws that are coming to live with you, because you do have that first floor bedroom, but it's also great for families. So I've actually built a lot with this builder, and it's a great builder. So these houses are built spectacular. Joey is a great builder to work with, and he just builds a great home. The garage is wonderful because you do have a 2-car garage. I love the style of these homes. This is the Coco model, which is a spectacular model if you're looking for this. I love building this model. So let's walk in here. So you've got the great front porch here if you're sitting here watching your children play, or if you're just that person that likes to sit out on the front porch and enjoy that cup of coffee or that peaceful morning. You can hear the birds out here. It's a very quiet neighborhood. So stepping in, you'll see you have a great open floor plan, but it's not too open. So for those people who like to step inside of their house, but you're not seeing everything when you first walk in, you do have that here. So when you step in here, you can see that we have that nice cathedral ceiling, and you have the beautiful agreeable gray paint. You have those knocked down finished walls. Right here, you have that area that you could do the sitting room here, or really whatever you want to do with it. I've actually had people who have finished this off into an office space, so they have closed this in. We actually chose to do this room like that, and instead of doing this room as a dining room, which most people have that, he chose to do this as an office. You could always take these doors off and take it back into a dining room, but he used this as his office space. So the difference between having to buy brand new and buying a house that's just a few years old is you already have all of your blinds up, and we've already found all of those warts of the house, and we fixed all of those. So this house has beautiful built-ins on the fireplace. We've done that whitewash here, gorgeous mantle here. You've got the gas logs, and like I said, you've got gorgeous LVP floors throughout. They did tons of upgrades here. When you see, we did choose to go with the wood stairs all the way up. We did choose the high-end lighting package here, and we also chose the backsplash, which was an added choice here. And we did choose to go with the gas package and the range hood here. So that is a upgrade when it comes to building here. So the high end quartz and the farmhouse sink, again, an upgrade when you're building with them, and other things that are upgrades when you're building with them that were done that these people have chosen, which is a great thing when you're building with them. I think I'd already talked about the lighting package, but the built-ins, I think I talked about, the soft close cabinets, which were done with them, which, if you don't know, little tricks about soft close cabinets. If you ever have one of the soft close cabinets that loses its soft close, if you pump it like this, a builder taught me this a long time ago. If you pump it like this, the soft close comes back. Just a little trick. So you also have the soft close doors up here. So coming back this way, one thing I love, we already did do your fence for you, but the backyard here is a really, really large size, which you don't get with a lot of builders today, because a lot of builders have those postage stamp lots, but this was a very, very large size lot. So if you do want to build a pool, you have tons of room for a pool, but you still have a large lot. So, and you have a really pretty color house, because, some of the people choose those really ugly colors when they're doing builds. Coming back here, you'll see, that you have a really large pantry, which was another thing that I really, really loved. And they didn't put the light in here, but you can choose to go ahead and put the light. It's already wired for that. But this is the downstairs bedroom, and you have a really, really large closet in here. So you have a large walk-in closet. So if you do have somebody staying downstairs, or you do have a family member downstairs, or you choose to use this as your office, you have a really large closet down here. And this does have that bathroom that connects here, and there's a pocket door here. So this is your downstairs bathroom. So nice and cute bathroom downstairs. And it does connect through here. And some choices that I do love that they did was they did choose to do the built-in. And again, another upgrade here. And this, everybody loves when you have that garage that comes in, you have that drop zone here. So the kids don't come in and drop everything into your kitchen. They actually come in from the garage. They have a place to drop everything, put their shoes underneath of here, drop their backpacks here. You can come in here, put lots of little bins up here for everything to be hidden away, which is always great. You have another closet here, which is wonderful. You could put more shelving here. I don't even know if I would use this as my hall coat closet. I mean, you could, because it's really great that it's off of here, but I would also add some shelving here. So let's take a look upstairs. So there's great restaurants here, and we have gotten amazing grocery stores lately. So we have our brand new Publix just down the street, just FYI. But nice sized bedrooms here. And the luxury of this is we don't just have nice sized bedrooms, and we do have really, really good sized closets, because this closet goes all the way back over here, and it goes extremely far back over there. Really good hiding space for the kids. But this has its own private bathroom. So if you have one of those, girly girls or kids that wants their own bathroom, that's the luxury of this one. And some of these actually had the door here that brought this one off of the hallway, but they chose to keep this separate. This is actually the room over the garage. So you've got that really, really big room here. We actually chose to keep this on the wall, and we can come back and cover this up and take this off. But I thought to myself, if some kid likes this room, They spent a lot of money on this. And I thought, it's really cute. And somebody may want this. And I was like, why take it off? I mean, it's super cute. But nice closet here. Again, these closets are huge. You can't even see me. I'm all the way over here. And then this one's all the way over here. I mean, they really did take big use of all of these closet spaces. They have a lock on this one because they had littles, but you can see this goes all the way back to here. And then this is the Jack and Jill, and it has double sinks in here. And then it has the pocket door that closes off the bathroom so that if people are getting ready on either side, they can close this off. And then another bedroom over here, and this one has the walk-in closet. So super nice. So like I said, every single solitary bedroom in this entire house has a bathroom attached to it. I love how they did the laundry. You don't have to have stackables, but this was really, really great and super efficient because it allowed you to have this. And you could actually put a counter here so you could have a folding table, which I would absolutely do here. And then you have your really high efficiency washer dryers, which they chose to leave. Another thing I love about the way this was built is you're coming all the way down here, and the primary suite is super far away from every other bedroom, including the downstairs bedroom in this house, because the downstairs bedroom's on the complete other side of this house, which is, in my opinion, spectacular. So this primary bedroom is humongous. So you have tray ceilings in here. This is the primary, but also you have this part of the primary. So people have done a lot of things with this. And don't think, oh, Betsy, I could make this another closet. Because when you see the closet, you'll be like, oh, that's stupid. I don't need a closet because the closet in this is freaking ginormous. So this you could make into an office space. You could make into, I gotta get away from these freaking children. This is going to be my shut the freaking doors. This is my place to watch TV and get the heck away from these kids. This is my gym. This is my whatever you want it to be. I mean, so many ideas for this room. This is my meditation room in the morning. So many things that you could make this into. The meditation room is really good, especially if you have kids, because you shut this in the morning and like zen me out. So especially if you have children. So then we come into here to this absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous bathroom. This was done so high end. So you have beautiful sinks, and it truly keeps everybody separated, because when you have this in the center, there is no way that we're combining each other's stuff. It's great. Nobody's stuff is getting mushed together. You have this to keep all of your stuff, which I love these. You could put doors on these, but at the same time, you don't ever need to, because you've got so many places to put all your stuff. There is just so much room in here for everything. And then again, if you need to get away from the kids or work or anything, this is the beer in a bath, wine in a bath, whatever you need. And then talk about a shower. I mean, let's talk about a shower, okay? Because besides the double heads, which, I mean, if you've ever been on a house buying trip with Betsy, you know what is said about the double-headed shower. Okay? I'm just going to leave it at that, okay? This is the perfect shower for you know what. Okay, but look, we don't just have a bench. We have a bench going all the way around our entire shower. Oh my God! Like the whole freaking shower. Like Whoever built this shower, God bless them, is freaking genius. This is the perfect shower for you know what. Anyhow, because God bless, we've got to keep the fun in our marriage. Anyhow, and this also keeps the fun in our marriage because everybody needs a private pooper. So God, like this bathroom is like perfection. It doesn't get any more perfect than this bathroom. But maybe it does, because check out the freaking closet. Check out the closet. Besides the fact that, again, Closet Factory should be paying me. I mean, should have an ad for Closet Factory on my YouTube channel. I don't know why I don't have a Closet Factory ad. Closet Factory should come build this sucker out, because could you imagine this built out by Closet Factory? It would be freaking gorgeous. Closet Factory should be sponsoring me, I think. So this would be the perfect Closet Factory closet. I mean, I can just imagine like especially with my handbags and my shoes, and like this would be perfect. And if Closet Factory came in and built this out, you could even have like a little island in here. This would be absolutely stunning. Stunning Closet Factory closet. But cathedral ceilings, I mean, I really think that if you had to look at this house and say, perfect, it doesn't get much more perfect than this house, because we are move-in ready. We are close to everything. We're in Chesapeake, Great Bridge, the heart of it all. We have phenomenal schools. Again, I think I said we are move-in ready. There is absolutely nothing to be done. We have sidewalks, check, check, and huge backyard. There is everything that you could possibly want in this house, and we are priced freaking perfect. Every single solitary bedroom has a bathroom attached to it, large closets, fresh paint. This house is going to go so quick, you're not even going to be able to blink. So I really don't know what else you could possibly want in a house than probably this one. So come on out. And this one is probably going to go within the blink of an eye. So let's go.